As you can see at this task section over here, this section that is written completed, I've completed a quantification of 9 USDT and my daily income will be 6 USDT, and I just deposited and I'm about to withdraw immediately. My balance was 12 USDT, but right now I'm sure that my balance has increased. As you can see over here, my balance is now 18 USDT from 12 USDT. So right now I'll be placing a withdrawal. So it just means that in this platform you make money by just clicking on a button every single day. So right now let us go back to that withdrawal section. So if I go back to this section, as you can see, there are 4 withdrawal methods: BEP20, TRC20, TRS, and BEP20 USDC. So if you scroll down below, you will see the withdrawal address section, the section for placing your amount you want to withdraw for your password. So as you can see over here, the fees is 0 USDT. So right now I'm going to be withdrawing using my BEP20. So right here I'm going to input the amount I want to withdraw, which is 6 USDT. So if I input the 6 USDT, I'll go over to this section and input my withdrawal address, which is BEP20. Then here I will input my password, my withdrawal password. Then I'll click on this confirm button over here for my withdrawal to be placed successfully. As you can see over here, it says withdrawal successful. So right now I'll wait patiently for the withdrawal to drop. I just confirmed the withdrawal in my Bybit account, and as you can see, the withdrawal dropped at exactly 3:35 p.m. and as you can see, this is 6 USDT over here, which means the withdrawal drops immediately. So right now that I have seen how fast the withdrawal is and you have seen that the platform really pays, all you have to do right now is just to leverage on this platform right now to make money for yourself. Also, don't forget to join our WhatsApp group and our Telegram channels for more money making updates, because all videos are not made for every update. Instead, they are posted there for fast and easy reference. Also, I'd like to bring to your notice that anytime you see a red cross sign before the title of any video, it means that the platform is no longer paying. This is to ensure transparency with my audience and to also avoid wastage of time with my audience. So now to get started, you have to visit the video description down below or the pinned comment section below. You will see the link to the platform and the link to our WhatsApp group and our Telegram channel. Follow me. This is the registration page. So I have to do just to choose a register with your email address or with your phone number. So after choosing, input any of them over here, input your email address, input your password, leave the invitation code, then click on the sign up button and your account will be created successfully. So once you create an account on this platform, this pop-up is going to show over here. This is brief info about the platform. It tells you everything about the platform, how the referral works and how everything works in the platform. So I have to just click on I know over here and I'll be opportune to go along and work with the platform. So if you scroll down below, you are going to see all the VIPs they have. The VIP 1 is 6 USDT, the VIP 2 is 18 USDT, the VIP 3 is 59 USDT, the VIP 4 is 199 USDT, the VIP 5 is 451, and so on. So you are going to choose the VIP you want to unlock. As you can see over here, this is the member list. This shows the number of VIP that people have upgraded. Some people upgraded VIP C, some people upgraded. So you have to choose the VIP you want to use. Then this is the regulatory authority: Bybit, OKX, Binance, and so on. So for you to get started this platform, you have to go to the recharge section. If you go back to the recharge section, you have to make a recharge to your account. As you can see, there are 5 recharge methods: BEP20, TRC20 USDT, TRS, BNB, and BEP20 USDC. So you have to choose what you want to recharge with. But me, I like recharging with BEP20 USDT. So if I go back to that section, I'll be opportune to copy the recharge address. I'll just click on copy over here and I'll be able to copy the address. Then I'll go to my crypto wallet and I'll be able to make a recharge. So if you read all this info over here, this is the info on how to make a recharge on the platform. Then this section over here is if you want to place a withdrawal. I place a withdrawal at the beginning of this video, so you already know how to go about it. Then if you want to download their mobile app, then this is the company's profile, the about info. So if you go back to this section that says task, you'll be opportune to complete a task as I showed you in the beginning of the video before I place my withdrawal. As you can see over here, you see this session showing in progress. I have no data, but if you go over the session that says completed, you will see that I have a task that I've completed. So by tomorrow, I'm going to complete the task again and I will withdraw another 6 USD. So this means that whenever you deposit, you withdraw immediately. So if you go over to this session that says team, you'll be able to copy your referral link and you'll be able to see the number of people you have referred, the team side, the team recharge, the team withdraw, the new team, and so on. So if you scroll down, you see your level 1 team in which your commission is 10%, your level 2 team 2%, your level 3 team 1%. So you go back to the section that says VIP, you'll be able to see all the VIPs they have. As you can see, I've unlocked the VIP 1 and my daily profit to be 6 USDT. Isn't that massive? Then my VIP 2 36 USDT. If you scroll down, you see other VIPs, VIP 3 180 USDT. So if you go back to the section that says me, you'll be able to see other features of the platform. This section is still for recharging, this is for withdrawal, this is your account, then this is of the financial records or the transaction you make, then this is for transfer if you want to convert your wallet. Then this is for change password. You want to change your password, and this is for log out if you want to sign out. Keep pushing, keep growing, and keep creating your own cash creation clan. Remember, success is yours if you reach for it. See you at the top.